I did that interview process the next day on site at Grace Hopper and then got the job in the airport on my way home.
You said at the airport?
Yes, like I was leaving the conference, got to the airport, and they called me and was like, hey, like, we're going to give you the internship. I was like, oh my gosh.
That's wild. So welcome to the Hacker House and episode number 10 of Boba Talk, a brand new podcast that demystifies everything you want to know about the coding journey. Today, we have a special guest, Jovanay Carter, ex-Google technical recruiter, CS master student at the University of Chicago, and the co-founder and CEO of the Dev Difference, an AI mock interview and job prep for students and career switchers in tech. I'm super excited about this because Jovanay has been on both sides of the hiring table, and we're going to chat about resumes, LinkedIn profiles, job hunting, the interview, and how to land your first job in tech in 2025. Welcome, Jovanay. How have you been?
I'm good. I'm so excited about this. I've been really good. I think the year is moving quickly.
By the way, when was the last time we met and last time we chatted? It's been 2+ years, right?
Yeah. For those who don't know, Sunny and I worked together at Codecademy a few years ago. Probably the last time I saw you was the acquisition party when they got, or somewhere around that time.
So it's been a minute. All right. Before we dive into your origin story, Jovanay, maybe what we can do is a quick lightning round. We've never done this before, but basically I'm going to ask you 5 rapid fire questions and maybe just like give us like the first thing that comes to mind. Cool?
Okay. Sounds good.
All right. So first one, how many resumes do you think you've looked at in your recruiting career?
Over 20,000.
Over 20,000. Wow. And myth or fact, is it true that on average, employers or recruiters only look at a resume for 6 seconds?
Closer to a fact than a myth.
And what do you think is the best platform for job hunting in 2025? LinkedIn, Twitter,
I think you're going to have a lot, well, depending on the role you're going after, right? But if most people here are going after some tech roles, I would say probably LinkedIn. But really the answer is if you know somebody.
Fair. And what is the most important thing on a LinkedIn profile?
Probably the design of it, which sounds skeptical and you're like, all this great stuff I've done. But to be honest, if your like pictures aren't clear and your like title isn't clear and it doesn't look like you ever tried, that stuff kind of matters.
Totally agree. And what about one interview tip that's overrated and one that's underrated?
One underrated tip is the follow-up. Like, people just do not follow up in the ways that they should. Like, if you meet someone and they're like, yeah, let me know how